Good morning, traders. Today you don't see my face, but you see this because that's pretty much how I feel and how I look today. So I thought I'm not going to scare people. So, yes, imagine this is me doing your forecast today. Okay, let's go and start with the news. Today we are going to have some high impact news on the GBP, so we need to be really careful as well as the euro. So there's definitely going to be some movement in the chart. So, but first, as always, I like to start with GBP GJ, my favorite pair. So we are still in this consolidation or a little bit of upward movement, bullishness. So I am still pretty much the same. I'm thinking the price is going to go and fill this 4 hour zone. So I'm more bullish and then bearish. But obviously the price also can go in this zone because we are literally in the middle of nowhere. And then if you look at 15 minutes, the GJ just had something interesting. It was a couple of minutes ago, like half an hour ago, and this huge thing happened. And GJ does that. Also, since yesterday's forecast, I said that because the price is going bullish, what happened in here was it created a breakout in here on this candle, and we could actually enter. I didn't. I'm just saying there was a potential. If you entered in here and then put the stops below the previous, and then just target this zone in here, which is 1 to 2. I would take 1 to 2 trade. It's just I never entered this one, so it did end up being take profit. However, if you would go for like this zone in here, something like that, then obviously this would happen. You would be stopped out and you would be so upset. But yeah, GJ does that. She really does, and she is a bully sometimes. So the GJ pretty much the same. So what I'm thinking now is we will move towards upside. So there are these little zones in here, and what we can expect is the price might come back to kind of, but it really depends. This is predicting the market. So we might do this and then go higher, or another thing that we could do as well is that we will just break out in here and then we can enter from this zone. So but both ways I'm looking for either buys from here or buys from there, just depending where my stops will be and all that kind of stuff. So this is pretty much GJ. I see it bullish, and we still have a long way to go till that 4 hour zone, so potentially like this, but yeah, bullish. Okay, now let's move to the GU. So GU, I got my bullish setup, but I'm really happy about it. If we look at the 4 hour chart, so what happened in here, my really crazy sales, I was trying to sell in here, but obviously price never pushed down to this low. So some will call it fake out, some will say that this is imbalance, 50% imbalance filled, or really it doesn't matter really, but as long as we understand, because if you, this is all big imbalance in here, all this candle, so it did kind of went below 50 and then just rejected. But the thing is, sometimes it happens in the market, and I know some will be, there is this zone in here that could be it, but obviously it's just silly to look at market like this and you will try to find why did it really react from here, like for me. So this is the better zone, fake out, call it fake out, liquidity grab, whatever it is. Obviously it didn't had enough bearish pressure to push lower, so we just went bullish, and I was expecting it to go bullish from here, never did, and then it went bullish from this zone in here, because overall if we do pull back quite a lot, then bullish, then a little bit bearish, like a pullback, and then bullish again, a little more pullback, because if you look, this is the previous low, and the structure is not broken. So if the price would go below this one, then it would be okay, we might actually go lower. So for now, I am still bullish. If we look at the setups where we could enter, let me check. So today is Thursday, but it feels like Friday. I don't know why. So I'm thinking we could probably again get some bearish pressure from here, just because it is 4 hour zone, this one. So I'll just put in here that that's 4 hour zone. So, and obviously from 4 hour zone, we expect more rejections, and they're more important than like 15-minute zone. But in this case, the 4 hour zone is this, and then the 15 minutes would be something like this. So we already are in the 15-minute zone. I'll take this one off, and then what we could expect is also bearish. So if we get bearish closure, we can put the stops below previous wicks and then just target these lows as well. But I would just go for 2.5, let's say, to here, like a little zone in here. So that could be a potential setup in here as well. But the time is 6:30 now, so I don't really like trading before London because all the jazz is happening when the London is opening. So it's just a bit not safe, I would say. But anyhow, this is for GU. So it's either this will see bearishness, or we can expect this zone to be broken, and just something like this where the price will now go up, then break, and then retest, and then we go higher again. So something like this. And the last pair, EU, and EU is looking pretty much, this is actually from yesterday. I'll just go and put on 4 hours. So this is from yesterday. I am expecting the price will go up. It didn't really, it pulled a bit lower, and it was not a lot of movement yesterday at all. If you compare to this and to this, you can see that yesterday was pretty much, a slow day. Okay, so for the structure, let's see what we can expect. So again, I'll take this one off so it's not confusing. So at this point, so the price could go all the lower to this zone and then react from there. But also because we do have, if you look at this, something like that, so we've broken, and then we could go and retest like in here, and then what would happen is just keep on going up, something like that. Oops. So yeah, something like this. So retest this little zone in here, not to pull all the way to 4 hours, and then just go higher. So just to keep this bullish structure, because we have low, higher low, and then we'll see how it goes from there. So yeah, pretty much the same. Still bullish. I'm very much bullish. But I don't know, it just, because of the euro, I really like this zone in here. And it's so clean because there was resistance in here, pushed, and then pull, breakout, retest, and then pulled all the way up. And then again, this is the retest, and it's just chilling in here. So try to kind of push lower, but then the engulfing candle in here, the bullish one. So yeah, that's why I'm more bullish, because this zone is super clean and super neat, and I really do like it. And obviously another thing that we need to see if there could be potential bearish pressure if the price is reaching this zone in here, right in here, because something like this could happen as well. And you know, like, that's why we just react to the price, and we react and we'll see what's going to happen in this zone. But because this is now your resistance area, so this is support, resistance here. So what price can do, come to this resistance, reject, and go bearish. So you just need to see what's going to happen. So that's it for today. Now I'll go to Notion, and we'll just journal everything we'll put in here. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this forecast, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care, use proper risk management, and I'll see you later. Bye.